Hey everyone, good morning. It's freezing.
So, sarado siya.
So, andito kami ngayon sa DMZ. Ito yung Freedom Bridge. Ito yung as far as where we can get sa Freedom Bridge. So, there are letters ng mga families. No? And then, you would see that in your Freedom Bridge. Across that is North Korea. Across that is North Korea. Yung Freedom Bridge na yan, na-feature na yan kay James Bond. Yan yung umpisa nung, ano yun? Yung pinakapangit niyang James Bond, yung Pierce Brosnan. Diyan siya pinakawalan ng North Korean. Oo, yun.
Yung si Madonna ang opening.
Yes, yes. Yung kalaban doon Korean na Caucasian.
Ayun na, dito sinasugod nila tayo.
Na ano siya, na what do you call it?
Papalit siya ng mukha.
Papalit siya ng mukha from being Korean to Caucasian. Tapos lumiit yung katawan niya. Galing nga eh. Lahat-lahat na bago.
Pinalo niya yung face off.
Anyway. Kidding aside. So, our tour today is DMC. So, ito yung Freedom Bridge. So, dito nag-exchange ng prisoners of war. Kapag ka nakikipag-deal yung government for
North or South.
North or South.
Guys, we're still here sa DMC tour namin. So, ayan. Si North and South Korean soldiers. Sige, lahat na. Okay, so gano? Can you tell me your honest opinion about, is there any change in your perspective regarding North Korea after we tour DMC?
Wala namang. There's nothing here. It's going to happen. Anyway, hindi ko alam ba't yung tinanong yan. Tanong na yan.
Malay ko baka nagbagong pananaw mo.
Ano, naging support?
Baka naakit kang...
Naging supporter ako na.
Naakit kang pumunta sa kabilang side.
Anyway. So yeah, we're here sa DMZ. So, this is one of the few spots where we can do this. Otherwise, hindi na siya pwede kasi restricted siya. Pero kung gusto mong magbakasyon, guys, kung gusto nyo magbakasyon, simple lang naman eh. You see that fence over there? Ayan. You just have to climb it and then run lang kayo, pinakamabilis na kaya nyo, straight line. Makakapagbakasyon na kayo sa North Korea ng 3 years.
3 years lang ba? 3 years lang ba?
Yeah, 3 years. 3
3
years, depende kung gusto pa kayong kunin uli ng bansa nyo, di ba?
And ano daw?
Kung makipag-negotiate pa yung country nyo para kunin kayo. Kung hindi, di magiging resident na kayo.
Oo. Masarap dito, ang lamig. Tanghalin tapat pero ginaw na ginaw pa. Kung gusto kong bibig namin.
Musok ba?
Kita ba? O, kita.
Ayun.
Diba? Ayan. Kung gusto nyo tumira sa malamig na bansa, now's your chance.
Nag-enjoy.
But anyways, ayun nga. So, galing kami sa observatory. So, bakit before 2019 daw, pwede pa tayong kumuha ng pictures. Kasi maganda yung sa observatory. Kita mo talaga yung North Korea.
Mali po yung kwento niya. Mali po. Nag-iimbento siya ng kwento. Okay. So, originally, yung merong location dito kung saan merong building. And then, between those two buildings na magkaharap, meron dun yung demarcation, and dun yung line, yung border between North Korea and South Korea. Okay. And then, may guard sa kabila, which is yung North Koreans, and sa kabila, which is South Koreans. Kung napanood nyo yung movie na JSA, makikita nyo yun, doon lumipad yung sombrero sa kabilang side, di ba? Na inabot nung gwapo, papunta doon sa...
Ni Lee Byung-hun?
Si Lee Byung-hun ba yung North Korean?
Si Song Kang-ho yung alam kong North Korea.
Basta yun, inabot niya yung sombrero pabalik doon sa South. So, dati nabibisita yon kasi you could take pictures ng North Korea from there na andun yung mga soldiers. Pero 2019 daw, meron daw American na kumaripas ng takbo sa border na yun. Ayan. So, binan na yung tourist dun sa lugar na yun ever since. By the way, doon din nangyayari doon din nakapag-meet si Trump kay Kim Jong-il. Kim Jong-un.
O basta yun.
Yan.
One of the leaders.
Yes. Doon din yan.
Meron silang famous photograph dun. Kim Jong-un
So
yan.
unfortunately, hindi na kami pwede lumapit doon kasi nga.
Because of the tourists.
I mean, kasi wala naman talagang fence, no? So, yellow line lang siya nagdi-divide between the two
remember
borders.
on that movie that you are
Di ba bawal nga daw mag-spit? Kasi ba't mo naman gagawin yun? Exactly. Right.
Hindi, yun nga yung minamention mo movie before. Di ba yun nga yung eksena, pwede pang lumapit talaga doon kasi nga lumipad nga yung sombrero.
Yeah, yun nga yung sinasabi ko.
Ngayon hindi na pwede.
Kasi mali yung kwento mo kanina sa observatory sasabihin mo. Wala kinalaman yung pictures doon.
Bawal din kasi mag-picture dun sa observatory.
Ibang reason nun kasi the reason why pictures aren't allowed starting last October was because 2 years October was because meron silang mga security exercises na ginagawa within the Syrian DMC. Baka kasi mapicturean mo yung positions ng military. Diba? So, that's state secret. So, defense yon. So, kaya siya pinagbabala. Hindi mo na whites bawal. Yun yung reason nun.
Pero na-amaze ako kanina kasi nakakita ko na napakataas na flag. Tapos meron pang Hollywood sign.
Yeah, hindi kasi pwedeng picturean eh. Nagpataasan sila ng flag, no?
Sumuko na lang si South Korea kasi ang taas-taas na ng flag ni North Korea.
186 daw. I think that's the highest
The highest flag meron siya in the world. Diba? Pero yun nga.
Nakapasok kaya si Guinness para ilagay yung plaka niya doon sa... Anyway, yung nga kwento dyan. Ayan, dumadami na yung tao.
Stop mo na. Sige, mamaya na lang ulit. Sarami ng tao dito. Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, we're climbing, right?
Yeah. When I hold it, I'll get my bag from you.
No idea what you're filming.
I'm not sure as well.
This one.
Oh.
We're gonna give people heart attacks. No.
Yeah. You just let go of the box.
Spot you can see that. Look at that.
Grabe ate. Are we there yet?
이렇게 내리시면 오른쪽입니다. 오른쪽 문으로 하차해주세요. 또
Was
라이트
Marvin able to reach the
오른쪽 문으로
top?
하차하실게요.
What's Marvin? Sorry.
Was Marvin able to reach the top? Maybe I should check his blog again.
Oh, he was able to reach the tower, but you have to pay there's an entrance fee to it before you can get in.
But we still.
Yes, we are.
Actually, it's just for the cable. Okay, we're climbing Namsan Tower.
Almost one step more. Yes.
Finally. Okay, we're here.
Oh God! I'm getting smoke again!
So tuloy ko lang yung kwento ko. We are at the Mount Namsan.
Namsan Tower.
There's the
Namsan nila.
there's the needle. It took us about an hour, maybe an hour 15 minutes just to get here because of the line,
But
the
what
cable
if
car.
we climb?
But I get it. It's peak hour.
Yeah. What if we climb? Will it take us an hour
Yes, definitely.
more? It's too cold, so it's really not possible for us to.
So at the top of the
Just
tower, its main significance is because of this beacon. So, napakita ko rin to when we were in Suwon, right? So in Suwon kasi, so the purpose of these beacons are so that it indicates whether the area is peaceful or there's an attack happening. So when it's peaceful, the last one, ito nasa dulo, will always stay lit up,
Left
right?
or right?
Whatever I'm pointing, it's on my right. So it will remain lit up. So parati may usok. One of the chambers will always have one smoking. Kasi that would indicate that there's peace, that there was no problem. But if all of the chambers have smokes on them, that means there's an impending attack or an attack has already been happening. Kung napanood niyo yung Lord of the Rings, similar to doon. So, they put beacons up certain important hills. So let's say for example something happened or something's about to happen in Suwon, they would light up the beacon there. You would see the smoke, and the smokestack would travel to different hillsides or mountains. Or tingin ko hillsides lang, hill lang naman to eh. Right. Up until it reaches itong point na to. Kasi this is the central eh. This is central, so this is the most important beacon. Kasi this is where the king was before. By the way, the line of the king, according to the guide earlier, they are still alive. I mean,
But they're commoner.
yeah, but now they're commoner. So you might be seeing, we might have already seen them outside. Baka nakabili na nga kami ng tokboki sa kanila, who knows? Diba? Siguro naman medyo may kaya-kaya pa rin sila.
She was talking about the North Korean royalty. But are they really considered North or South before?
No, there's no North Korean royalty. What are we talking about? There's only one royalty here. By the time nung nangyari their last king was Gojong. He was king of both North and South because there's only one Korea back then. Korea was only fractured in 1950s after World War II. Because after World War II, you have two powers and ideologies here in Korea. You got the group of people who call themselves Democratic People of Korea. Although they're saying they're Democratic People of Korea, they're actually communist. And then the Republic of Korea, ROK, which is now the South Korea. So, yeah.
Pretty confused.
At least they tried, diba? They said they're democratic when in fact they only have one party and there's no election. Never had been an election. Yes.
Let's go inside. First,
There you go. Dami ka na sinabi, no? Dami na natutunan sa akin today, di ba?
Eh, hindi pala niya na-play yung record button.
Huwag kayo mag-Wikipedia. Maniwala na lang kayo sa akin.
Merry
Just,
Christmas.
just put your trust and belief on me. 100%.
There's a collaboration between ChatGPT and Kakao.
Yeah. Look, there's a spiral. So I think it's another payment for us to be able to get up there.
There's a fast track.
Huh?
Maybe we should have that.
Yeah, here.
Scan the front, 50% off.
Okay.
Okay, so we're still here in sa may nakalimutan ko na kung nasan kami. Ensol Tower, Namsan Tower, there's Gano. Ayan. So ito yung City Lights of Seoul. Ayan siya. Ganda-ganda niya. And then there's Namsan Tower. There. So, gano'n kalamig ngayon? Gano'n?
Very.
It's very, very cold.
-5.
-5, kaya pala ganito na yung pakiramdam ko. Medyo hindi ko na alam kung saan ako susuot. Lamig-lamig, grabe. Pero okay lang, it's worth it naman. Ayan ulit si Ensol Tower, ang ganda-ganda niya. Ayan. It's Christmas themed eh. So, ayan may mga parang Christmas ball sa ano niya. Sa sphere niya. The sphere yung body. So, pinakita to madalas dun sa K-pop Demon Hunters. There. Pero aside from that, sa maraming pang K-dramas and movies.